your solution of Snapchat account has been locked for violating community guidelines. If you are facing this issue, then first of all go through your any browser and then search for help.snapchat.com. Then this page will be open and then from here select my account is compromised. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the last and there you will see an option of form. Now here type your username, your email address, your mobile number, and on the description briefly describe about your issue that you want to unlock your Snapchat account. Once you do that, give them your username as well at the last. Once you submit this, Snapchat team will help you out within the 24 hours. So in this way you can solve this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.